go!
The jacket!
Tumimik ka.
This is the Roman Colosseum, the sinirang building with Lego and the inside.
Nandiyan
This is the Taj Mahal.
May concert ako dyan
with
mamaya.
the
May
globe
concert
on the
ako dyan.
top.
Concert ko yan. May
This is the
concert din si
water.
Slash.
The Kitikita swing. This is the Banawer Rice Terraces, which the rock is so big, bigger than the Banawer Rice Terraces. And
Huwag ka magsalita lang ganyan.
and the Kubo is so big. Mas malaki pa sa Banawer Rice Terraces. And this is the Alhambra. That is a castle made of gold. Yeah. This is the Great Wall of China. This is so big. You can see this at the moon. Diba nakikita
Sabi
yung
mo
sa
nga dyan
moon?
yung ano, spot.
This is the shoe of Cinderella. This is shoe of Cinderella. This is the Chichen Itza. This is the patong-patong sabon of Perla.
Sabon po?
Petra.
No camera allowed.
This is Petra. This is the bundok of Putik.
Putik.
With
Mount
CR at
Putik.
the top.
Uy, ayusin nyo kayo. Umayos nga kayo.
With CR at the top. This is the Eiffel Tower. It's so big. It's
Pinagawa kaya nila yan.
costs 1,200. And that is the, I don't know, what's that?
Ang tutunan sa atin.
Orange. That is a garden with so many soil.
Acropolis.
Acropolis of orange. Okay, you can see everything. It's so nice. Oh, dito
O sana, bilis. Dito muna.
This is the globe of Australia, globe of America, globe of the Philippine Islands. There are different globes there. Ano yan? Marami po kaming globe.
Para pag-memorize.
Yan, gawa po yan ng mga tao sa Del Rey, mga bata. Mga ganyan po kaliliit. Bigyan mo sa na isang out. Ang laki.
Next.
This is the continent in the world. First, we have Africa. The landmark in Africa is only the forest and the animals, wild animals like giraffe, like tiger, lion, and the pyramid, the small pyramid. And you can see all the dolls have costumes. That the feather of the chicken. Next.
Next.
Next is the biggest continent in the world, the Asia.
Ayan pala.
And the most beautiful among them all. This is from Korea. She is Kim from Japan.
From
This
Japan.
is the booty. This is soil made of rock. This is the Petronas Tower in Malaysia. And this is the people in Malaysia in the early time. This is the pinagmamalaking bahay sa Pilipinas, ang Bahay Kubo with Jose Rizal and Patricia. And you can see art there at the flooring. You can see everything is so fine. This is from Thailand. They are birthday nila ngayon, tapos yung headdress niya ang galing sa witch. Anong bansa? Bansa? Ano yan? Underground? Tapos this is Pakistan. You can see there's a headdress for heat. This is Saudi Arabia. You can see sand because that's
Hello.
desert.
Hello.
This is from Turkey.
Yan, bansa namin yan, Turkey.
From
Uy, bansa namin yan.
Genius Master.
Yan! Yan!
That is China.
Yung Saudi.
You can see the house in China.
yung exhibit ko.
That is India.
Burma! Wow, ang ganda!
That is Myanmar and Burma. That is a bahag there.
Sir, may quiz dito.
And this is Canada.
Sabi ni Miss Luis eh.
This Nicole. You can see there is a lot of island there. Islet. This is the Caracas Distrito, Venezuela. This is the Casas de Vladimir, Brazil.
Sa Brazil.
But this is the USA, America. This is North and South America.
Argentina.
Argentina, you can find there a corned beef, a lot of corned beef. This is the Chile Proud Garden. There are like stones. That is sumot, na tinapis, that is from South Africa, Pacific Ocean. This is from Europe, one of the richest continents in the world. You can see their costumes are voluptuous and beautiful. This is from Denmark. You see headdress. And this is from Belgium. They all have gowns. This is what you call that? Corridor. It's something. This is from Greece. You can see the accessories is too heavy. It's too big. It is too much big. This is from Italy. You can see.
That's a cage.
Oh, Prince Charming! Prince Charming!
This is the most beautiful costume.
Miss, ang ganda!
From Spain.
Ito, sa baba, pero ito maganda, laki.
Spain.
Oh. Urong, bis, urong. Now we're in France.
Fireman.
France.
Fireman.
Ganun pa.
Wow. And this is the Eiffel Tower. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. From Italy. This is what we call that.
Uy, ulo mo!
Holgimus in Iceland. I know that is something in the church. Okay, you see everything?
No.
The flags.
Exhibit.
And this is...
Doon tayo.
Ay, right.
Uy, cameraman lang ako.
This is the race school at the present time. Uy, tara na! You can see the flagpole.
Uy,
This is video.
Yes, si Miss.
This is
Ay, si Miss.
Huwag naman!
Yun po, sino po yan?
Aiza, the Carlos.
Uy, ang dilim ng Del Rey. Ulong.
This
Para
race
light.
school is oh my God. The Rey in
Alang dilim!
Hello,
Parang hindi
dilim.
na. Ayan. Ulong muna po.
Cameraman ka?
Yan si Miss. Umalis po
Ito
si Miss.
ako. Nakita nyo? Lumiit po ang Del Rey sa future dahil po binenta na po kasi yung kalahati ng Del Rey dahil po humirap po ang bansang Pilipinas. Pero gumanda po, nagkaroon po siya ng fountain. Nawalan nga lang po ng... At dumami na po. At dumami po ang sasakyan ni Sir
Okay,
Joe.
move.
At nandun pa rin po ang...
So si Ongge, yan po si Ongge.
Ito po ang mga... Ito po ang Baluswain Church. This is the ladies in
Ay, kanina sa'yo.
Baluswain Church.
Sa tito ko. Niram ko lang.
Pero ako ng ano. Ha?
Lang.
Memory. Upload ko sa YouTube.
Idanon ko muna sa
I
USB
don't
ko.
know that. I don't
Lagyan mo lang sa YouTube.
know their
Ha?
names.
Ito po si Hanilin. Yan po si Hanilin. Ito po si Lynn, ang iyong host. Ito.
Hindi ka ba napapagod pa ikot-ikot?
Hindi kasi kailangan nga yan, no?
Ilaw sa picture.
Sir, kung...
Paggabi, picture ako may ilaw.
Hello, sir.
Daming glitters.
Tama na yung video?
Tagal na.
And now, we're saying goodbye to you all.
Picture yun.